Hi, this is Lee Thurburn, and this is our quick start video. The first thing that you want to do when you create a new account on Apricot Rocket is run through the quick start steps. When you log into your account, look at the top menu and you're going to see a link for quick start. And if you click there, there will be 7 different drop downs that will occur. What you'll want to do is you'll go through each of these and complete all 7 to the extent that you can. First, set up account info. That'll take you to a page where you'll have several different things. First of all, you can change a logo. You can upload your logo. And then under user information, you want to fill out all of the information that's blank. It'll show you your password in case you ever want to change it. That's at the very top. For this account, it's called demo password. And then you fill in the information that's appropriate. And when you get down to the bottom, having filled in all of the information, and then you'll update the user information by clicking the button. On the right hand side is billing information, and you don't necessarily need to fill that out at this point in time because you have not yet decided to upgrade, so you can leave that alone. All right, now go back up to the quick start menu at the top and click on the second item, which is set up business profile. This is your business profile page, and you can do quite a few things, including uploading logos and profile backgrounds and welcome messages and all of that. Feel free to go ahead and complete all of that information so that you have a complete business profile on your business loaded into the system. The third thing, go back to the quick start menu, is go to set up email standard information. Now this screen also appears under your business tab as your bulk email standard information. So you'll want to fill in all of the standard information about your business here. And I'm doing a little bit of completion because this is a new account. And then update the information just like I just did. It'll cycle, and then when the update process is completed, you'll want to scroll back up to the top window, and you're going to go to the next item on the quick start. So here's quick start, set up social media links. When you send out a bulk email, the system automatically includes links to all of your social media, and it knows when to do so based upon whether or not you've filled this out. So you can see we have fields for Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google+, YouTube, and your RSS feed, as well as a blog. Fill in what's ever appropriate, save it, and then continue. Go back to the quick start, set up CRM classifications. Okay, CRM classifications are something that actually takes a little bit of time to think about, but what I would recommend is that you call Class A category, call Class B type, and call Class C source. That's all you need to do at this point in time. But you do need to go ahead and set up your database classifications. These are primary ways that you keep track of people. So for example, under category, we've set up clients, former clients, and some other categories for things: green, blue, purple, red, and so on. Under type, we have red hair, flu shot, pet sitter, pharmacist, just different types of clients or potential clients. And then under source, we have clean, shot, tall, long. I know this doesn't really specifically make sense, but we will have another video specifically for the CRM database classifications. At this point, just to get started, all you need to do is give it a name for Class A. So I'd say category, type, and source. Save it, and then come back to Quick Start and go to Add a CRM Record. Now, on the Add CRM Record screen, you can essentially just start filling in the information about the person or about the business, or both, that you want to fill in. You have a section for personal information, a section for company information, and then a section for custom information where you can add custom fields to your database if you wish to do so. You'll see that a custom field called head shape has already been added. We will have a separate video to talk about how to manage the database customization. You can go back to Quick Start, and once you've added a record, you'll see that a record has shown up in your system. Now, here on the top menu, you'll see a little icon next to the search by name and search comments. If you click that icon, you'll see that there are no records listed. Well, I could either click the back button to go back to the Add a Record screen, or here under CRM, the first option is Add New Record to Database, which is the same screen. So I'm going to add a record, and I'm going to add just a little bit of information. First name, last name, and not a phone number, but an email address, a first name, and a last name. I'm going to go ahead and click Add Member. And so now if I click the little search icon, you'll see that we have a record number, creation and inception date, the person's name. There's no phone number shown. There is an email address. And then you don't have anything shown under category, type, and source. Notice the blank spaces there because we have not yet classified this person as such. If you want to edit a record, click on either the record name or the record number. We'll just click on the record name. That's Lee Thurburn. Now we can come back into the system and we can add some additional information. I might come down here and I might say, okay, United States, they're in Texas, and let's give a cell phone. And now I've added a little bit of a different additional information. Now if I do a search of the system, you'll see that I've added a phone number, and that you can see that information. So the last thing on the Quick Start is to import a spreadsheet. Click on the Import a Spreadsheet, which takes you to the Import a Spreadsheet option. Here you will browse to find a spreadsheet and browse your system. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to a space where I know that I have a spreadsheet that I can demonstrate. And I'm going to upload a file with 10 records. So now I've got a file with 10 records. I'm going to click Upload your file. And what the system does is it matches, it attempts to match the records that you have with the values that are in the database. So you have a value from your record or from your file for last name matches to last name. First name matches to first name. Company to company. Title to company contact title was selected. Email to email. Category unknown. Well, what we'll do is we'll come down here and choose Class A. Type unknown. We'll go down here and we'll choose type. Source unknown. We'll come down here and we'll choose source. At which point in time I can import records. You'll see it has a little bar that shows you it's done. Import records is done, so we can, well, I guess it's already done. We don't need to do it again. And now we can click on the little edit screen up here, at the, or not edit, but the search bar up here at the top. And now you'll see that we have a total of 10 records. And the reason that we only have 10, having imported 10, was that there was a duplicate. And the duplicate is this Lee Thurburn, Lee at Apricot Rocket. That was also in the import list, and the system automatically refuses to import a record that already has a record in the system based upon a duplicate email. So there you have a quick example of how you can get started with the Apricot Rocket system. Go have fun. We have other videos that you can watch, so poke around and have fun with the system. Thank you.